Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we move, copy, rotate or scale. So for that, we can use the shortcut move for M, copy for C, O and rotate for RO, and for scale we can use SC. So we can use this tool, express tools also. Just click on express tools, and here in this modify group we have an option here that is move, copy, rotate, or you can use the shortcut MOCORO. Okay, select it and then select the object. You can select the multiple objects as well, and now you can press enter. Just after pressing enter, you have to select the base point, and then just after clicking, wherever you will click there, this chart appear where you can select move, copy, rotate, scale, any of these. So I'll just select copy, and then you can move. You can select ortho or polar to move it wherever you want. Just place it wherever you want and it's done. Just press escape and again this box appears, so you can rotate also. You can also do the same things by using the shortcut. Example, you can move by using M, enter, select it and then move it. You can use CO for copy, select, enter, set the base point and move it. You can use rotate command RO, press enter, select the text and you can select the base point and you can rotate it. By using this polar, you can rotate within this 90 degree only. Get it? Or you can scale it by selecting and using SCA, press enter, selecting, and how many times you want to scale, just enter the number, that is 2, and then press enter. So this time I have scaled this text. So this way you can move, copy, rotate and scale in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.